Is the Irish language without its native speakers? I am not a native Irish speaker. I'm a native Irish person, but
Well, like any language, any culture, so like you can learn French, German, Spanish, or whatever as a non-native speaker, and learn it to a good, very fluent level, but it'll never be quite the same as the native variation. Because like a lower folklore, there's so many words, native words we have here that a non-native speaker won't really be exposed to unless you're from the Gaeltacht. I mean, you can learn from my TikToks and my reels, etc. We have words here being which goes to the child in the Sir and that they wouldn't use anywhere else in the world, that you won't find in any school. Like, there's so many examples of words and idioms that we have here that you'll never find in the school or whatever. So native Irish is the most important Irish. It's important for everyone in Ireland to learn Irish, to improve their Irish, but native Irish is the most important because it's native. It's native. You can't beat native. So that's why we need to protect the Gaeltacht. That's in Camuch and Gaeltacht, Chosint, Gomors, and the Cart Changa. So it's incredibly important that, housing in the Gaeltacht is incredibly important. That, Banu is doing very good work there, and Tav we don't want wealthy people from, non-native Irish speakers coming in buying, or not even non-native speakers, but non-Irish speakers coming in and buying up land and houses that a local could have been. So then the local native speakers then are forced to move outside the Gaeltacht and maybe move outside the country even. So native Irish and Tábhachtach Joe sé gaige Huchas in Príomhrud, and that's the most important aspect of the Irish language is native Irish, because non-native Irish people will learn from native Irish speakers how to pronounce words correctly. There's a lot of people who learn Irish, they can reach a certain good level, but unless they're learning it from a native speaker, I notice on TikTok and other places that they don't pronounce the words correctly, and the vocabulary of the richness and wealth that we have in the Gaeltacht is non-existent in their lingo. Anyway, fágam muid sin ach se an Tábhachtach Joe.